Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this deliciousness with you guys. And I'm using basmati rice for this recipe, mackerel fish, and some prawns. These prawns I'm going to be cleaning the shells out. And these are the peppers, onions I'm going to be using. Diced tomatoes, garlic, and ginger. I'm going to be slicing one of the onions, and I'm going to be rough blending one with the peppers. See, I deseed my peppers except the habanero. This dish is very easy to put together. I'm here just to teach you easy dishes, easy way you can put Nigerian dishes together. And these are the prawns, so I just cleaned them. Use all-purpose seasoning to season it, and I'm putting that aside. I do the same to the fish. I didn't use the head of the fish. If you want, you can use their head. So in a pot, I just added cooking oil, heat it up, fry my mackerel. One side is ready. Now I flip it to cook the other side. Yeah, mackerel is ready now. Bring them out. If you want your mackerel more dry, you can let them stay longer. In the same oil, I'm going to be frying the prawns, and I'm frying these prawns just for 3 minutes. Ready. This oil is packed full of flavor. See? That is the onions I sliced. I just add a little bit to the oil, fry it together a few seconds, pour in the pepper mix. The diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes as well. But this sauce, I did not put tomato paste. See, I just added crayfish. Cook it together till that slappy taste of tomatoes is not there anymore. And that's the rice. I washed the rice thoroughly. I did not parboil. Pour it in, put it together, and that is chicken stock, fish stock from my fridge. It's fish stock. Adding water, salt, fish bouillon, nutmeg, paprika pepper. You see, if you have leftovers fish stock, chicken stock, beef stock, you can save them in your freezer. Just like now. See, I use my fish stock to cook my rice because I'm cooking fishy rice. See, I just added spring onions and spinach. My rice is not totally dry yet. It's not totally cooked yet. So now I just add in the fish and the prawns. They are gonna cook together. Sliced onions. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please give me thumbs up. Help my page to grow and my channel to grow. Thank you for watching this video. This food came out so delicious, so yummy. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.